Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have interesting numbers that I decided to search for since Google was now accused of being a monopoly that prevents others from taking its place and, having real competition. I looked at StatCounter's search engine market, the market share worldwide. It's very interesting. So when you put all devices together, Google accounts for 91% of all searches around the world. The closest competition is 3.8%, and it's Microsoft's Bing. At 3.8%, it's really nothing. And then you have Yandex, Yahoo, Baidu, which is the Chinese one, and DuckDuckGo. Now, this is for every device. Let's get into the desktop market, so a PC. In the PC world, 80.3% is Google search. Then very far off, it's Bing at 11.8, and that is probably due to the fact that it's dominant on Windows platforms, and you often do searches that could be a Bing search without knowing it. Then you have Yahoo at 3%, thinking that Yahoo was dominant 20 years ago. Yahoo was what everybody was using 20 years ago before Google appeared. Yandex at 2%, DuckDuckGo at 0.86, and Baidu. And finally, look at the mobile search, your smartphone, tablets, and that includes iPhones, iPads. It's obvious that Google paying these companies, paying Apple to have Google search on the devices is really showing here. 95.2% market share. The closest after that is Yandex at 1.1%. So this shows you it's Google search all the way. There's almost nothing else. So it is dominant. It's obvious, and this clearly shows its domination here with the different devices, and especially in a world where smartphones and tablets are really getting more and more popular. That means, wow, everybody's using Google, and that's pretty much it. And how are they using Google? Well, it's simple. Google has paid all of these companies to be on their devices. So definitely something that maybe should change so that other competition could also be there. And it's always good to have competition in every types of markets. If you enjoyed my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.